Right, I am ready.
You are on.
See? She tried it again, but I was ready.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, I was.
You weren't.
All right. She's just mad because I gave her a good jab right before the camera went on. Anywho, let's move on. No more arguing on camera. Yeah, right? Like, that's really a possibility. All right, so... all right, guys, this is a fourth and final sign carvers of the day for sign carvers of the week, I guess. 25 more here. We've done 3 in a row. Vicky says I'm yelling again. But I hope you guys have liked what we've done so far. I hope this is motivational for you, inspirational. It sure is me. There's just some amazing stuff here. And I love showing off your guys' work. So you guys email me pictures of your projects. I would love to put them in the SCOTD groups. So this group is going from February 3rd through February 14th. And then I've got an announcement to make at the end, so don't let me forget. So here we go. Let's rock and roll. Nigel Oram. In the UK.
Let's see, I got to adjust. We're still learning our lighting thing here.
Yeah, we got a new kind of a soft white light thing that we're using. So Vicky's playing with the light. So this is tulip wood. It's 11 by 13.
That's
and
cute.
Nigel is in the UK. Isn't that cool? I love what you did on the shape on the border. It's just really, really inventive. Honestly, I want to try something like that. That looks really, really cool. Great job, Nigel. I love it. Robert Rocha. Second sign. Address sign for his mom. Very nice. Those are big numbers. You'll be able to see those from a ways. I don't even know how large they are, but I'm assuming they're big. Those must be 6 or 8 inch numbers. Great job, Robert. Love it. For your second sign, terrific. Fred
Cosentino?
Cosentino.
All right, I'm going to have to... This one's pretty bright because of that, so bear with me for 1 second here. I got to make some adjustments.
So on this one here, Fred used our profile bit, the carving liner, and the 60 degree.
That's cute.
Really, really cool.
I like that fish.
Yeah, isn't that neat? Great job. Nice looking base too. I like that. Great job, Fred. Michael Monahan. And this is for his grandson. I'm sure that is really cool. Great idea. Great layout on those letters. It's probably a rapid resizer thing.
I don't know. I tried to do that in Corel. I just couldn't.
Yeah, it's that's kind of tricky. That's probably like a Microsoft Publisher or some kind of a layout program. Great job, Michael. Leonard Pagel. I think he had one earlier this week. Only carving for a couple weeks. Check that out. Only carving for a couple weeks, and he's making those kinds of signs.
Oh yeah, doorbell broken. Yelled.
Yeah, that was on another one. Yeah, that was yesterday's, I think. Yeah, great job, Leonard. Love it, love it. This one is just astounding. So you guys might have seen. I've showed this before. I think we showed it on a Friday night. He took a very small, scaled down copy of this, put an hour or 2 into it and took it into the brewery, and they bought this big sign from that. So this is 50 inches tall, 43 inches wide. The material is poplar, a poplar backboard. The eagle banner is a separate piece again altogether. And he put it together and used a lot of Home Depot Bear paint, and he is getting amazing jobs off of this. The fact that he got this job, not only from the restaurant or the brewery where this went, but people that are seeing it. I think I showed a picture of it all backlit. He actually did it with standoffs and put backlighting behind it to give it even a better three-dimensional look. Gary, awesome, awesome. That is just amazing. Great job. Don Borden, our buddy from the high desert. So he used 1/4-inch birch plywood for the face of this, 24 by 36. So this is one of those instances where Don actually carved plywood. Great job, Don. Looks like it turned out well. And, you know, again, you don't have to laminate boards. Good job, Don. Excellent. Jason Harrison. This is outside his building at his sign shop. Is that cool or what? I mean, I'm just so humbled, and thank you for that top sign there. Thank you so much, Jason. That's just amazing. I love it. You know, both those signs look terrific. A lot of work there, and for you to give us kudos like that, man, thank you so much. I'm just humbled. Great job, Jason. Mike Lehman, 16-inch round, and he's only been carving for 2 months.
Oh my gosh.
Astounding. You guys just blow me away. The talents out there. Just absolutely beautiful, Mike. Great job. I'm sure you're going to be doing a lot of signs for customers. Wesley Gilbert, very first sign. And terrific job for your first sign. And that is, I can tell by looking at that board, that wasn't that easy to carve. That is some pretty hard soft there, if it is the way it looks to me. So you held a great line for just starting out, Wesley. Great job, buddy. Wilhelm Hutmacher. He is in Germany, and this is actually a tombstone for his parents, which is just so cool. Just absolutely beautiful, Wilhelm. I've talked to Wilhelm a few times via email. Terrific job, buddy.
I like the woodpecker and the owl on there.
Yeah, isn't that neat? I think those were, you know, animals that they liked or something. But I just think that just is amazing. Awesome job, Wilhelm. Congratulations. Mike Wesley. Didn't we just do Mike Wesley? Isn't there another one? Anyway, I don't, maybe not.
Wow.
Used 8 different colors of wood stain on this.
That's awesome.
That is just stinking cool, man. I love those colors. And those aren't paints, those are stains. 8 different stains. Amazing. That is just outstanding, Mike. Beautiful. Jacques Jansen van Vuren from South Africa. And I'm not sure what this symbol is, or does it say?
You're tipping it forward.
Oops, sorry. I'm not sure what this symbol is all about. It reminds me of the Beowulf thing, but I don't know. But it's very cool. Did it with a flat bottom bit, obviously. And for just starting out, awesome job. Great job, Jacques. Steve Busby, or Busby. First sign that he has sold. And this is repurposed fencing material. 15 by 28. I think that is the shape of a state. But I can't be sure of that. I didn't have that, but that's what it looks like to me. Like one of those northern states. Great job, Steve. Beautiful, beautiful work. And I love the color in the wood. Beautiful. Bruce Hucks. This one's really cool. Bruce actually made this and gave it to another YouTuber. His name is Big Dog Brett. D-A-W-G. Big Dog Brett. And Brett has a YouTube channel, obviously all about the football team, Georgia football team. And he actually gave Bruce a shout out on his channel. And he mentioned us too, because Bruce told him that he learned from us. So his video that he did on March 6th, that's Big Dog Brett, he actually mentioned
March
Bruce. March 2nd is what I meant to say. I said
March
6th?
4th.
Oh, March 2nd, excuse me. The video that he did on March 2nd, 2020, Brett actually gave Bruce and us a shout out. So Thanks so much, Brett. We appreciate the shout out and great job, Bruce. Keep it going.
I have a quick question.
Yes.
You said these go through from February, middle of February to the end of February?
Yes. No, to mid-February. Early February to mid-February.
That's a March. He did a March YouTube video.
Yes, he did. But this is from February. But he just gave the sign to Brett the other day.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. So there was obviously a delay there. Yeah. Dean Conrad, 3 signs: red oak and white oak.
Oh, very nice.
Really nice stuff. That's a lot of work. There's a lot of outset letters there. Great job, Dean. And oak isn't that easy to carve. Obviously, you've got a knack for it. Looks terrific. Great job.
Or Ezekiel, or Ezra.
Was that our Ezra thing?
Bottom.
It was. Rise up, take courage. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Larry Brush, one of his first signs. That thing is shining. I don't know if he has epoxy on there or what, but man, he's got a gloss finish. I like it. Beautiful. And he outlined the outset letters in black. It looks kind of cool. I like that. I don't know if he did that with a Sharpie or what.
I just smacked the camera.
Huh?
I just smacked the camera.
Oh, sorry. Anyway, great job, Larry. I really like the black outline on the red letters. That looks cool. Lee Harrington. Another collage. Lee is a terrific sign maker, obviously. Beautiful stuff. Really cool diversity of all kinds of different stuff there. He's obviously very good at the portrait things. Great job, Lee. Again. Darren Hawkins. Only been carving for about a month when he made this. Looks like our Western letters on the top. A lot of background. Pretty straight lines for only carving for a month. Great job, Darren. Beautiful work, buddy. Okay, Lieutenant Robert Dauberman, 5th sign. Obviously, wow, what a attention to detail. That logo stuff is just really, really cool. And that doesn't look like it was that easy of a board to carve either. Exceptional work, Robert. Thank you. Beautiful work. Donald Spicer. Obviously, pretty spectacular here. Donald, all I have a note here is that he's been selling a lot of these. I'm not surprised. Beautiful work. The flags are really in style right now.
Police badge?
I think it is, yeah. I think it is. Terrific job, Donald. Excellent. Ron Odom. Check this out. These were family Christmas gifts with pine and acrylic paints.
Oh, I like that bear.
Yeah, just all of them look really cool. Very unique. Little Minnie Mouse there. Great job, buddy. Love all the colors. Terrific job, Ron. I'm sure you were very popular when people opened their gifts at Christmas. Skip Hinton. I've actually met Skip and did a little video with him a few years ago. He lives down in the Phoenix area.
Waving flags.
Yeah, and Skip is very talented woodworker and sign maker. This is really cool. I love the waving flags like that. Power carving, that's kind of the thing you want to get into. So, great job, Skip. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Hope you're doing well down there, buddy. Don. Jeremy, I think. This is Spanish cedar, which I don't think I've ever carved Spanish cedar, but I love that color. Got like a chocolate brown thing going on there. And all that detail. Great job, Don. Beautiful sign, just spectacular. Love it. Love it. And last but not least, Brian Poor made this for a friend of his. Of his. Great job. Maybe it's a wedding gift. I'm not sure. But
I hope they don't see this.
Huh?
So I hope they don't see this video.
Well, he shouldn't have sent it to me then. Anyway, great job, everybody. So that wraps it up, guys. 4 videos in a row, 4 days in a row. tomorrow, okay, the announcement. Yes, thank you for not letting me forget. Tomorrow, Friday Night Live, we will be doing it on location again, a special location, because the following day, Saturday, we're doing another live demo. Super excited about this. Woodworker's Source in Phoenix. We are going to be doing a live demo there from about 10 o'clock on. We'll probably be there about 9. But super excited. We'll be right at the front door. This is the one that is in Phoenix, and it's like right on Highway 17, kind of North Phoenix a little bit. Talked to Jason, the manager over there, and we got this all set up. Super excited about being there. So if you guys are in the Phoenix area and you want to come out and say hi and ask questions, I'm going to be making sawdust, carving demos. So anything, questions I can answer for you live, real time. We're going to be there and probably be carving for a few hours, I would say. So hope you guys can make it. If not, we'll be putting some of it on camera. But tomorrow night, Friday night, we'll be doing our Friday Night Live, answering questions, probably doing a giveaway, and doing it at a special location that we've never been to before, never filmed anyway, and we're looking forward to that. So again, guys, thanks so much. I hope this was helpful, inspirational, and motivational for you. It sure does me. You guys are just doing some amazing stuff. Keep sending me those pictures, because now my stack is, it's pretty small now. So keep sending me those pictures. I love to show off your work. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and click that little bell icon so you get notified. We do a bunch of videos every week. And if you need supplies, there is the website. Questions, eric@makeawoodssign.com. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow night. We love you, and have a good one. Bye-bye.